Hey Taurus. So this is going to be your love reading for the month of July. Please keep in mind, if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well.
Yeah, this person definitely looks at you and you make them extremely happy. But they're not telling you this right now because I feel like in the past they were having a hard time trying to choose or trying to make choices or better decisions. But at the same time, they're taking it day by day. They're coming towards you, Taurus or Crosswatcher, but they're just taking their time. Tell me more. Back and forth with the Emperor. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries here. But I feel like your person, there was a lot of ego and pride. I'm picking up ego and pride looking at this. Arrogance. And they know that if they want to have something with you, they're going to have to drop that. They're going to have to drop it. But at the same time, they want to give you a stable offer. But because they didn't bring stability in the past, this is also why they feel like you're not going to take them back. But see, with the Ace of Swords reverse, this is them not communicating with you. So you guys aren't speaking. There's no communication right now, whoever this is for. And see, this person, I feel like they have to let go of something. Because I'm even just noticing the 2 10s here. So I'm telling you, it's like there was some type of cycle that was happening that it's done. There's something new that's going to start. But it requires whoever messed up to let something go in order to have a victory with you. Tell me more. Ooh. The way that just flipped back over. Okay. I feel like the seeds that they planted with you, they want them to grow. But see, Taurus, this is you. They feel like you're not going to put any more time, effort, or energy into them. Because it's like they messed up. I feel like you've already given them a chance before, another chance. It's like it's just a repeated thing that takes place time and time again. Some of you guys could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, another Taurus, or a Virgo. Tell me more, please. Yeah, see, y'all aren't talking. You guys are definitely not talking right now. The communication is coming in slow. I'm telling you, they're going to come in and talk to you, but it's just really slow. See? Ace of Pentacles. This person wants to give you the offer that you deserve, but see, they can't sleep. They're worried about something. Tell me more. They're worried about giving you this offer. Because in the past, they were moving slow. Now they don't want to move slow with you anymore. Tell me more. But they're back and forth if things are going to improve between the two of you. Taurus, see? You could be dealing with another Taurus. This person definitely wants a relationship with you. They actually see themselves marrying you if you're not already married. Clarify the Hierophant. Let me see what's going on. Clarify the Hierophant, please. There's something going on with finances. Okay, wait. For some of you guys, your person could be in another relationship or they're married. Or this could be referring to you guys. But whatever's going on, I feel like this isn't you two. This is like whoever messed up is someone external. Somebody that they're dealing with, whether it's friends, family, or a love interest. This person has been giving to someone, or in order for them to leave a situation, they're going to have to give something. Because I just see that there's fear surrounding money. And they're worried about they were worried about their finances, because I do feel like this person took a financial hit. Now it's kind of like, let me get myself together. Oh yeah, y'all, there's something going on here. Somebody's dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Told y'all, there's interference here, big time. Queen of Wands reverse, love reading, that's someone's mom. Or a mother figure. So I don't know if this is like their mother, someone that they have a child or children with. Or it's just the love interest that they just been giving to. This person definitely has been given to someone else. This is the problem. Yeah, see? And they're trying to figure out how to get out of it because right now, this is why they're not putting in the work towards you. Could be dealing with an Aquarius. But I feel like this person is trying to hold on to hope that they're going to be able to have you back. But they don't know what to do. They don't. See, they're frustrated about their finances. They're frustrated that they had you waiting. Tell me more. Look at that. They feel like they're frustrated because they feel like they lost you for good. And that's why they're not moving forward. This person is still going through lessons. They're not moving forward right now. I do feel like they made a decision. What's their decision? It's a fast decision. Tell me more. They made a decision about you, but there's no balance. They feel like there's no balance on their end right now. This is why they're not approaching you. Somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius. Yeah, it's something that's going on with their past. That's why I say it could be friends, family, or a love interest. There's something going on. Tell me more. I'm telling y'all, this is either like a family situation where like it's their mom, sister that's in the way, something like that, or this is a love interest where there could be a child or children involved. Clarify the Empress. I definitely know that they want to have a new beginning with you, but something is holding them back. Clarify the Empress, please. Yeah, see, they're trying their best not to look back at the past. I'm telling y'all, they want a new start with you, but they're trying to weigh up their options right now. Tell me more. In order to give you the offer that you deserve. I'm telling y'all, they're not confused about who to be with. They're just trying to figure out how to approach you. Because look, they're going to be single. If they're in a situation with a love interest, they're going to get out of that. If it's a family situation, they're going to free themselves. They're definitely coming towards you. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign. Pisces, Cancer, or a Scorpio. And there's a Scorpio right here. But whoever this is, they do have a hard time speaking their truth to you. They're sad. They're just not telling you anything. Because I definitely saw twice in the beginning, there's no communication between you and this person, whoever this is resonating for. Because they feel like your guard is up and they're undecided about what to do. But they're trying to have the strength to come towards you to give you this love offer. They want to be with you. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo, but it requires them to come out of feeling stuck, come out of feeling bound, so they can open their mouth and speak their truth to you, which they're going to do. They're going to do it. Tell me more. Let's see. Yep, you're getting an apology from them. You definitely are. And see, I'm telling you, they're gonna talk to you, but they're not confident if you're gonna accept the Two of Cups from them, because they did have you in a third party, and they're gonna remove themselves from it. Tell me more. Yep, they're listening to their intuition now. Finally, they're listening to their intuition. Oh, Lord. But every time they want to say something to you, they don't. This is why you guys, I feel like a lot of you guys are picking up on them. Like, you'll be fine moving on in life, just having fun doing you, right? And then all of a sudden, you guys are just getting upset, or you're emotional, or you're sad out the blue, like you want to cry. And I feel like a lot of you guys are picking up on this person. It's their energy. It's not you. And it's because they want to reach out to you. They want to say something to you, but they just don't know how you're going to respond to them. That's the problem. Because, see, they're coming back to turn things around. And they're going to come back and give you a small offer. So I feel like they're taking baby steps. So if they reach out, it may just be, kind of like small talk in the beginning to kind of see, like, where you are with them. Like, are you upset? Are you angry? Are you willing to, talk to them, speak to them? Tell me more. Yeah, see? This person is making changes. And I feel like that's another reason why they're giving you a small offer, because they're trying to get away from whatever third-party situation that they have themselves in. But I feel like for whoever this is resonating for, excuse me, whoever this is resonating for, they're going to be working to get themselves out of it. But in the meantime, they're going to reach out to you to make small talk, because they kind of want to see where you are with them. Because this person does want to build with you. They want to start over with you, but at the same time, they are still afraid that you're done with them. See? They feel like you don't want to have this new opportunity with them, Taurus. But they're still going to give you an offer. There's definitely an offer coming in. Tell me more. Look at that. This person has been manifesting to have a new beginning with you. I'm telling you. Look at that. They want to have a happy home with you. They want stability with you. But see, this person did leave you hanging. They left you out in the cold. And see, there was a tower moment. Something happened really fast on their end. And this is why they're isolating themselves from you right now. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo. Now there is something on their end is not right. That's why I said before, it's something I feel like with money too on their end, because now they're afraid that financially there's no balance. Even though they didn't bring balance in the situation with you in the past, there's something that took place on their end because Spirit is trying to get them to make moves, you know, to get themselves out of the situation to come towards you. But see, right now they're not moving forward. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. Yeah, they're having a hard time. Excuse me. They're definitely having a hard time right now. Could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or a Scorpio, but they know that they hurt you. And they're afraid that when they do come back towards you, like, you're done. You're not going to speak up. You're not going to be honest with them anymore because it's like you've done all of that. And they're just like, man, he or she, they're done with me. They're not going to speak their truth. But see, this person loves you. They do. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini here. Tell me more. They want things to improve with you, Taurus. They're just afraid that it may not. And this is why they're stuck. This is why they're not taking the leap to come towards you just yet. But they do not want you to cut them off. Could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. But I'm telling y'all right now, this person isn't content, financially speaking. They're not. But when they come back, they don't want to argue with you. But they're worried. Why are they worried? They're worried because they want things to improve with you. Clarify the... But they feel like y'all gonna go off on them. Like, really. They're like, man, I don't know how Taurus is gonna take me at this point because I did too much. Again, somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. Oh, that was weird. This person is afraid that you're going to walk away for I can't even talk, y'all. Sorry, Mercury retrograde. They're feeling like you're going to walk away from them for good. Somebody could be dealing with the Libra. I feel like your justice was served, but at the same time, this person is looking for the truth. They want to know how you feel. See, because I'm telling you, they're coming back to speak their truth to you. Honestly, they know, even with the Queen of Swords here, because her hand is out, it's like they know that you want to hear from them. They know this. They know that you want the truth. But at the same time, they're afraid that they give you the truth, you're going to walk away. You're going to walk away. That's what they're thinking. See? And that's why they're frustrated, but they're clearing away obstacles, but they know that they didn't bring balance to the situation in the past. But this person is coming back to give you the Ace of Cups. They're giving you the offer that you deserve. It's overflowing, but they're scared. Clarify? Yeah. Because, see, this person kept stabbing you in the back. Somebody could have been dealing with, sorry I didn't say this, it could have been a Pisces. Somebody also could have been dealing with a Capricorn. But see, look, they broke your heart. They know that they broke your heart. Entertaining third-party situations. This is why they're back and forth right now. And they're asking their friends to help them. Alright, Taurus, that was your reading. Please leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonates for you guys. So I love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Hope you enjoyed the reading. Bye, Taurus. Reading. Bye, Taurus. Reading.